How to deactivate Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To deactivate your Instagram account, open up the Instagram application, come to the profile page from the bottom right, tap on the three lines option from the top right, then just go to the option called account center. Then once you go to the option called account center, from here you want to simply go to personal details, then go to account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, select your Instagram account from the list, leave it at the option called deactivate account, then tap on the continue button. Then after that, all you have to do is just simply enter your current password, then tap on the continue button to save the changes. This way you can deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.